In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Graphics, Introduction to CorelDraw. Computer graphics are graphics created using a computer and, more generally, the representation and manipulation of image data by a computer. Examples of graphics packages: Paint, CorelDraw, Adobe Photoshop, Harvard Graphics, Printmaster, Adobe PageMaker, etc. Features of CorelDraw or CorelDraw. Environment title bar. The title bar displays the name of the CorelDraw file on which you are working. It is also used to reposition the CorelDraw window on the screen. Menu bar. There are 11 pull-down menus in the menu bar. All menu commands are found in these pull-down menus. Rulers. Rulers serve as a positioning and sizing aid. They can be turned off optionally. In addition, you can drag guidelines off the rulers to serve as drawing aids. Scroll bars. The scroll bars allow you to shift the page horizontally and vertically. Drawing windows. The large white portion of the screen is the drawing windows. The rectangle with the drop shadow is the printable page. Status bar. Status bar shows the fill pattern, outline location, movement and absolute coordinates of selected object. Color palette. The color palette allows for the quick application of a colored fill or outline color. Selecting the scroll bar at the bottom of the palette opens an expanded color palette. Standard toolbar. Toolbar provides quick access to commonly used features. Almost all of these can be accessed through the menu bar. CorelDraw provides a series of different toolbars for your use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.